This is where we started. So we got to work. We started with tired land and big ambitions. The first step was bringing in chickens. Every day was feeding, cleaning, and learning. Little by little, the flock started growing. There were challenges and setbacks, but we refused to give up. Slowly, the farm began to change. Then we had an idea. What if we hatched our own chicks? So we placed 50 eggs inside. And then the waiting began. The question was simple. Would they hatch? This is where part 1 ends. The real journey is just beginning.